Wednesday, September the 14th, and it's the start of another day. It's now just after 8 o'clock on this misty Wednesday, September the 14th morning. It's now midday and we've done about 25 kilometres?
Yeah.
30 kilometres?
Yeah, it's been quite a good time.
Nice good beach. Time, nice beach.
Might even make a sandcastle.
And we've stopped here because we think over the rise there is a cafe, so we're going to go and check it out. Well, we've got some houses, or what looks like holiday homes. There might be something up here. Well, this looks promising. Coming up to 2 o'clock, and we reckon we've done about 50 kilometres today, which has been an extremely good day. And we're just coming up to a town called Paks, P-A-K-S, where we understand there's a canoe club, and we think it's here. Well, it's 2:45 and we've established that the Paks Canoe Club was nowhere near Paks, which is in the distance there. But we do think it's somewhere up here. Well, what we thought might be a canoe club, unless it's an inlet. This is like a little mini marina. Well, we've decided to come across the river to this bit of grass where we hope we might be able to camp. Well, we've just landed the boat and we're walking up to this little shack that looks like a bar. Well. What a result. But unfortunately
1620, 1420.
it's shut. What does it say? Is it open?
It might open at 1620.
Oh, I don't know what that means.
No, I don't know what it means.
Well, it's just after 4 o'clock, and as luck would have it, this bar opens at 4. But sometimes the facilities in these impromptu campsites are a little bit basic. Here we have young Nicholas showering underneath a black tank with a tap. Well, this is our campsite for tonight. (6:30) on Wednesday the 14th of September on our wild campsite, and the end of another good day.
Or anyone, if I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie?